In this lecture, we will see FlowCut reference tool. So this cavity mill we have already done, rest mill, again cavity, and this Z label profiling we have already seen all this toolpath. So click here, and now I want to do FlowCut reference. So this is the FlowCut reference tool. Click here, and my folder is this program, and again from tool, my tool is this ball mill tool, and here workpiece is my geometry. Okay, in this method we will cut the material which is left from the previous operation due to the bigger tool diameter or because of corner. So here we have to define reference tool, and my reference tool is from Z level profiling. So Z level we have used with ball mill 8. So select here ball mill 8 is my reference tool, and steep angle is 60 degree, no problem. Zigzag makes 10% is step over, and the for steep this is the same. And geometry, no need to define geometry, it will cut the material which is left, so no need for such thing. So click here if you want to add some multi depth, so click here, otherwise generate it. Okay, so this is the result. Let's see. And 3D dynamic. Okay, so this is the reference tool method. Okay, now I want to generate the CNC program for this operation. So click this one, and here from the post process and 3 axis, I think some machine is already mounted here, so it is taking the post processor from there. See, here we have some machine. Okay, and if you want to see the verification of this one machine simulation, we have on play. So okay,